Hey everyone, so I've got a couple of TUDIA cases for the Xperia X series that I'm going to try out. So in this review, I'm going to be covering the TUDIA Arch for the Xperia XA. And in the next video, I'm going to be covering the TUDIA Merge for the Xperia X. So let's get right to it. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this. Now I have a TUDIA case for my Xperia Z5, one of my favorite cases. See, I got the blue version of this. And let me just show you the Amazon page real quick. So I'll put a link to this up in the description. But you see it's about $10 and there's 4 different colors. So this one is clear. And then there's gray, blue, and black. Alright, so let's have a look at the blue version. Pretty nice feeling. So here's my TUDIA Z5 case over here. And as you can tell, it looks very similar. Just a little bit of company branding right here. And it should be pretty easy to install. Yep, just pops right in there. Definitely feels comfortable to hold. Doesn't have much bulk to it. See at the bottom there you have all your cutouts. So cutout for micro USB and the speaker. And then on the side, so you still have access to the camera button. So you do have it covered, but you can easily press that button. Same with the volume rocker and the power button. And then on top, of course, you got the cutout for your headphone jack. And on the back, cutout for the camera. I gotta say, this looks pretty nice with the edge-to-edge display. You can't even tell that there's sides to it anymore. That's pretty cool looking. And let me just check and make sure. Yeah, so it is raised, meaning you can swipe your phone down like this, and you don't have to worry about damaging the screen. So guys, first impressions, I gotta say I'm pretty happy with the case. Looks good, comfortable to hold, very soft, nice feeling material, all the cutouts that you need, and most importantly, if it's anything like the one I have for the Z5, it'll definitely provide some protection, because I really have dropped that phone multiple times and never had any issues with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, where I'm going to be covering the TUDIA Merge.